Hi everyone, this is Ratnesh. In this video, I will talk about how you can change the display resolution of your Mac. To do so, first of all, click on this Apple logo in the top left corner of your screen, and from the context menu, click on System Settings. Once you are in System Settings, go to Displays, and here you will see the built-in display of your Mac, and you will have 4 different resolutions to choose from. By default, it is set as default, and for my Mac it is 1440 into 900 pixels, the current resolution of my Mac. I can select between these 3 options. One is larger text, that is 1024 into 640. If I click on it, I will get a prompt that are you sure you want to switch to this scale resolution. If I am sure, I will click on this change resolution button. Similarly, we have this option that is 1280 into 800. And if I want more space, I can go with this more space option that is 1680 into 1050. Suppose you want more options, then click on this advanced button and then check this option next to show resolutions as list and then click on done. Now you will see you have 1680 into 1050, 1440 into 900 which is default, 1280 into 800, 1024 into 640. If you want to see more resolutions, click on this toggle next to show all resolutions options. And now you will get a lot more options from 2560 into 1600 to 960 into 600. You can select a resolution based upon your requirements, and then once you have decided the resolution, you can click on that and the resolution of your Mac display will change to the selected resolution. And suppose you want to go back to the existing settings, you can uncheck this show all resolutions option and similarly go on advanced and uncheck this show resolutions as list option and click on done, and your Mac will go back to the original settings you have initially. So this is how you can change resolution on your Mac. I hope you will find this video useful, and for more such tips and tricks, subscribe our channel. Thanks for watching.